The vice president insisting there that Democrats would be to blame for this shutdown. Why is he wrong?
Well, he's wrong because they control the House, the Senate, and the White House. When you control all three chambers of Congress and the White House, you have to be able to govern. And that means they need 7 Democratic votes in the Senate. And they have proceeded over the last year since Trump came in, or the last 9 months since Trump came in, to break promises. They negotiated an agreement with us back in March and then immediately went back on their word and rescinded money that they had committed to just 3 months before. They have been destroying government agencies. They've already fired 150,000 federal employees. And I think the most important thing right now is that they just cut health care for 15 million Americans with their big bad betrayal bill. It's about to go even further with the upcoming crises in health care. I think we have to stand up and use our leverage and fight for health care for working people. Cancel the cuts, make sure that we lower costs for the American people, and at the end of the day, that we respect promises that are made, because they used to say that, you know, your word was the only thing you had on Capitol Hill. These people lie. They make promises, they break them. They did that to the American people. They've been doing it in Congress, and we're not going to take it anymore.
But when we talk about this fight in similar situations in the past, last September under President Biden, you urged the speaker to, quote, put forward a clean continuing resolution to keep our government open.
Yeah.
That is not what you're pushing for now.
No, because when we make a promise, we keep the promise. We don't rescind in partisan ways for money that has already been promised and authorized. The whole point of going through a congressional budget authorization is that both sides have to come together. Unless Republicans had over 60 votes in the Senate, then they could do whatever they want. But they don't. They are the governing force. That means they need Democratic votes. We have never done what they are doing. We haven't gotten rid of federal agencies unconstitutionally. We haven't rescinded on a partisan basis. That's actually never happened in the history of Congress, that one party would rescind money that was already authorized. So they have been continually breaking promises. We're in an unprecedented moment, Elizabeth.